Ulat ke jela UCH Vijaya Shankar ne kesngi ulapan kuburam ya kan riungut ki NCC Cadets ke balalik mi khmat ke jela haka Republik de mentaus nem arhajara arpusan. Habakran hagani kesngi na kaliang ulat ke jela ula ai ke jingiro ya barok ke god ke NCC ke bala mi khmat ya ke jela mat katany setei la mingi hi barok kawai. Ula ai mensimeki da ke jingjab jong ka samla refiners warjeri ke bala wanra ya ke jela ya kan nambat keburam hakaba hakarta kaba arpos nem kalapoi tiap shadu kakliar jong ulum Everest ulakentu ya baro bagi dai ben traisitam mat pun urlong yak eik bagi kwa ban long laga dai hakendo kendo kakam kabagi don kijing temu ban pun urlong yaka.
Once more, sir. Ready, look, sir.
Pan, Commanding Officer, 22 Battalion NCC. Distinguished guests, respected officers, dear cadets, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to you all. It is both an honor and a pleasure for me to extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you on this proud and joyous occasion. The felicitation of our finest NCC cadets, who has brought immense glory to our institution and to the entire Northeast region by representing us at the Republic Day Parade 2025 in New Delhi. Participating in the Republic Day Parade is not just a matter of selection, it is a matter of national pride. It reflects months and years of hard work, excellence in training, and the embodiment of the true spirit of the National Cadet Corps, unity and discipline. First of all, I would like to congratulate the cadets who have participated in the Republic Day Parade, which is a matter of national pride. Today, it is not just a felicitation, it is a celebration of commitment, discipline, leadership, and the potential of our youth. May this honor inspire many more young minds to join the NCC, to serve the nation, and to uphold the value and make India proud. Once again, I welcome our Honorable Governor and all of you, and I thank you for being part of this memorable occasion. Let us together salute the achievement of our cadets and wish them many more milestones in the journey ahead. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Year 2025. As already brought out by my earlier speaker, I just want to bring out one more fact. NCC is the biggest organized youth in the world. As on date, we have 15 lakhs cadets who are being trained and is already brought out, being united and spreading the bonomio of unity in diversity in the state, in the country. So I once again want to thank Honorable Governor for motivating more people, and it will be a stepping stone for other cadets to take up NCC and participate and could contribute to the country's unity and well-being of the country. I hope more cadets will join and will perform better in the coming years. Thank you.
That I am here to introduce the activities and what are carried out by the cadets in the Republic Day camp in Delhi. I would like to let you know how they prepared and what they went through in Delhi, in brief. These 16 cadets of Meghalaya were put through a grueling series of camps. 1 selection camp, 3 pre-Republic Day camps, 1 launch camp, after which they were selected from amongst cadets of the entire northeastern region. They went from here end of December and came back end of January. Through a tough weather in Delhi, they persevered and excelled in all competitions. While in the Republic Day camp, they participated in line area competition where you have to set up your living quarters according to military standards and showcase the region from where you're coming to Delhi. They participated in the flag area competitions where you have to showcase entire northeastern region. In the drill, they participated in Kartavya Path, Prime Minister's Rally and the Guard of Honor competitions. Apart from these competitions, they took part in cultural programs, idea and innovation competitions, and also were witness to the horse riding RVC contingent of the NCC in Delhi. Apart from this, they had to participate in the drill and visits of several dignitaries, including the Raksha Mantri, the Raksha Rajya Mantri, the Chief Minister of Delhi, the Chief of Defence Staff, and all the service chiefs of the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Apart from this, they had an opportunity to go at home functions of not only the Prime Minister, the Raksha Mantri, the Raksha Rajya Mantri, and all the chiefs of the Indian Army, Navy and the Air Force. They also had an opportunity to interact with the visiting foreign delegations, cadets delegations, which had come to the Republic Day camp in Delhi. Before the culmination of the camp, they were taken around for Delhi Darshan, where they had gone to the Bahai Temple, the Prime Minister's Sangrahalaya, India Gate, and places of historical importance like the Humayun's tomb in Delhi. In brief, I can tell you without any shadow of doubt in my mind that we were probably the best disciplined contingent from amongst all Indian contingents of there in the Republic Day camp. Specifically for the contingent of the Shillong group and the cadets of Meghalaya, they have lived up to the motto of NCC, that is unity and discipline. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Not only the asset of your family now, not only the asset of Meghalaya, now we people are asset of the nation. And we are very, very proud of you. Very, very proud of you. So, when you introduce yourself, you have to introduce yourself and you tell your future plan to build up your career and your dreams also. Few days back, Vajri had come here. You have been invited. And again we are going to invite her on 14th night. The entire family, they are going to be our guests. They are going to stay in Rajbhavan. Vajri, father, mother and sisters and brothers, all together, according to me, 9 of them they are coming. All the 9 of the family members, 14th, they are our guests here. Guest of Rajbhavan. And 15th, August 15th, in the open public meeting, they are going to honor that baby, Vajri. And 1 lakh cash prize also we have decided to give it to her. That's not that much important, but at the age of 20, she was able to climb the Mount Everest. She was able to climb the Mount Everest. I asked her, what is your future plan? She told me, I decided to join Indian Army. Here only, standing here, openly she told, I asked her, what is your future plan? My future plan, I have to join Indian Army and serve the nation. This is what actually Vajri told me. So accordingly, when you are going to introduce yourself, one way you have to introduce yourself. And few days back, 1 month, 2 months back, some of the professional IAS officers had come here. Out of which, some of them are 23, 24, 25, 26. At the age of 22, at the age of 26, They are able to say, I am IS officer. As many of them, we have been planned properly. Accordingly, we are able to achieve it. In that way, one way, we are very, very proud of you because of your achievement. And you have been represented Meghalaya in the national festival. The entire credit comes to not only Meghalaya, entire credit comes to Northeast. So in that way, we really honor you people. That is part one. Part two, by this age, you must have dream yourself about your future plan. In that way also, one way you have to introduce yourself. Second thing, you have to tell what is your future plan to build up your career and to achieve something great. Please start from yourself.